Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2018 C300 4MATIC. This one is a polar white. Underneath there's a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo with 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. For wheels we've got 17-inch alloys. The tires are in good condition. Silk beige MB Tex interior with a dark brown linden wood trim, sunroof, C300 4MATIC badging. Open up the tailgate, we've got a clean set of floor mats, fold down rear seats. Premium one package with blind spot assist, Burmeister sound system, heated seats, memory seats, an LED logo which appears when you open the door, heated steering wheel, smartphone integration with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, steering wheel controls, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, media display, rear view backup camera, dual climate controls, hard keys for media display, cup holders, turn wheel for infotainment center, dynamic selects for different driving patterns. This C-Class has 21,060 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of the C300 4MATIC, check out feldmannimports.com.